how to see last seen on WhatsApp even if it's hidden. So if you want to see last seen on WhatsApp even if it's hidden, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. All you have to do is go to the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and tap on privacy. In here, under the privacy section, you can see the option of read receipts. Once you find it, now if it's turned on, you'll be able to send and receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. If you toggle it off, you won't be able to send or receive read receipts. So make sure to toggle it on. After that, tap on last seen and online. And here you can see I've set to nobody. So you just need simply change to everyone or my contacts. Just go and change it and then go back. After this, you'll be able to see the last seen on WhatsApp. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.